If you are getting a WinRAR file corrupt error on your PC, first understand that this usually happens due to incomplete downloads or damaged archive files. Re-download the file from the original source because partial or interrupted downloads are the most common cause of corruption. Make sure your internet connection is stable while downloading to avoid broken files. Try opening the file again using the latest version of WinRAR. Because outdated versions may fail to read newer archives, use the Repair Archive option inside WinRAR to fix minor corruption issues. Try extracting the file using another tool like 7-zip to check if the issue is software related. Move the file to a different folder such as desktop because long paths or permission issues can sometimes trigger errors. Disable antivirus temporarily since security software can sometimes interfere with archive files. Check your disk storage and make sure there is enough free space for extraction. If the error still appears, the file is likely permanently corrupted and you will need to download a fresh copy again.